Katherine Ann Green OBMP is a Labour Party politician who was first elected as the Member of Parliament for Stretford and Urmston in 2010. She was appointed Shadow Education Secretary by Keir Starmer in June 2020, replacing Rebecca Long Bailey. Green was born in Edinburgh to Jessie Craig and Maurice Green. She attended Curry High School in the University of Edinburgh, graduating with a Bachelor of Laws degree. After university, Green began a career at Barclays Bank, working for the organization from 1982 to 1997. From 1997 to 1999 she worked as a Whitehall and Industry Group secondee to the Home Office. Green was employed as director of the National Council for One-Parent Families between 2000 and 2004, then taking up the post of chief executive of the Child Poverty Action Group until 2009. Alongside this, Green was a member, then chair, of the London Child Poverty Commission from 2006 to 2009. Green also served as a magistrate in the City of London between 1993 and 2009. Green joined the Labour Party in 1990 and stood unsuccessfully in the 1997 general election as the candidate for the Greater London constituency of Cities of London and Westminster. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.